Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create a professional resume in just 2 minutes using AI. Super easy and free. So let's get started. So firstly, in Windows you can open Microsoft Copilot. Here you will enter the prompt, create a professional resume. I will copy it. Create a professional resume for me with the following details. Enter your details like your name, skills, education and experience or project if you have any. So then click on generate. Here it will be generating. You will provide your email, your number, location, or if you have any LinkedIn profile. And objective, here you will see it will return automatically. Education, skills, project and experience, certifications, if you have any certifications, achievements, what you achieve and in college time or your degree time, references, now I will tell that ATS friendly. Or you can type add strong action words customized for a specific job role. Now you will see it will be changed according to ATS. You can click on edit in a page, then you can edit like email, you can remove Alex 123. Okay. Then when all finalize, you can click on this. You can also you can copy it and paste into Word. Microsoft Word for easy editing. Always customize your resume for each job. And that's it. Your professional resume is ready in just 2 minutes. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more AI tricks. Thanks for watching.